Hello and welcome to a new video of human-made garden plants. This time it's a part 2 of a video that I've made. If you want to see part 1, I put it in the comments so you can click on that and you can see the video. We are now 1 month later and you can see already there is some growth happening. Just look at that underneath the soil. It pushes the soil up, that's so great. We are now 2 weeks further and you can see here it's grown a lot since then. There are some little ones here still, and this is the 2 big ones. You can see they've grown good. We are now 1 week further and you can see they have grown, but my snails are eating them up. So I put a container under it so that it sits higher. So I hope that will help to grow these babies. Again, 1 week further and you can see they have grown a lot. But I forgot to water it, so the soil is a little bit dry. I hope I can save them, but I still can, I think, because it's only the top layer. And now we are again 1 week further and you can see they have grown a lot since then. They are growing very good. They are nice and green still, so that's good. But my dahlia, I will show you in a second here. This is my dahlia. And that one is eaten up by snails, as you can see. So I hope it will come up again. I hope. We are now 1 week further. As you can see, they have grown a lot since then. And my dahlia has grown a little bit, but I'm still hoping it's going to sprout even more because it's all eaten by snails now. We are now 1 month further and as you can see they have grown a lot since then. It's nice and bushy now. And as you can see they are growing upwards and they are growing tall at this moment. You can see the difference with my hand in there, how big they are. This is my dahlia and it has grown a lot since then. And as you can see, no snail has eaten them, so that's good for now. Let's hope it will do the same after this week. But we shall see. So as you can see, they have grown a lot. And again, we are now 3 weeks further, and as you can see, it has grown some flower buds. It's finally time to flower for these ones, and as you can see, they're a little bit floppy because I forgot to water it. So it's still recovering, but as you can see, there's buds. So it's going to flower. The dahlia, as you can see on the leaves, it still got eaten by the snails. And I'm hoping it's not going any further than this, but as you can see, it still gets eaten. And we are now, again, 1 month further. And as you can see, the Liatris is flowering finally. This one hasn't still. That's a shame. But this one is going to flower. And this one as well. And this one. Look at it. And as you can see, it flowers from the top to the bottom. So that's the funny thing about this plant. And they're nice purple flowers. And as you can see, my Dahlia, it's totally eaten up by snails. There is only this one leaf left. There's nothing left. So that's very sad, but I cannot do anything about it. Right now, it's not going to flower. That's obvious. And I thank you for watching this video. Like, subscribe. Bye bye.